Hello, welcome all of my friends in my video tutorial. I'm novice programmer C# Mohammad Samar Mia. In previous tutorial, we always learned how can we save by text command type method. Actually, today I'm going to learn you how can we insert a data integer by using store procedure method. Store procedure method, I said that it is very important because most of the software company are in present time they are using this method for save, update and many others query. So I'm going to now learn you how can we insert a value by using store procedure method. So I'm now going to my data form, and this is my database. So at first I need to active my service manager. Yes, it's need a few seconds for active my service manager. When I active my service manager, that time my SQL Server 2008 R2 version database will be active. It needs a few seconds. Yes. Okay. My project is now going to open. Still now my database is inactive. I need to active. When my database will be active, that time here is, yes, this time my database is now active because I give a green signal here. Okay, now I can open my database. And this is my project. I create a database name of phone book, and I have also include a table name of contact information. This is my database, and this is my table contact information, and this is my another table name of item information. I just add this table recently, and my table name is item information, and I have already 4 field, column name. I think that all of you must be know how can I create a table and add many of fields. That's very easy, and I was teach you the previous class, so I am not ready to repeat this section again. ID, item name, category name, purchase and nodes. Here is a 5 column name. ID has got a integer, item name has var character data type, category name has var character, purchase rate has money, and note has var character. So I am now ready to create my store procedure, because I need to apply store procedure method. So I need to create a store procedure, and this store procedure formula must be added by programmability, and I need to create this store procedure by query on SQL Server. Yes, I just click a right button, new store procedure, and here is my store procedure field. I need to clear all this unnecessary code. So I'm now going to create a store procedure, create procedure. Actually, create procedure is a formula to create any kind of store procedure. Actually, in query by SQL Server, create is a keyword and procedure is another keyword. When I write create space procedure, that time I just instruction my SQL Server that please create a procedure, and the next time I need to declare store procedure name. Any kind of name I can write here in this time, but I just need to write something which is related my workplace. So I need to write a procedure name. For example, SP insert into. I need to insert any kind of value to my item information database. So I need to write item info name, item info. But it is not necessary to write such like command sp insert into item info. It's just a name. You can also write your own name or your country name. It's a example. Okay. For insert a simple value, I need to declare parameter name, and we are already know what's a parameter, how parameters works. Actually, parameter only uses by transport the value to from database, or transfer value from to database. So I need to declare parameter. It's very important, and the in query I need to remember this format. Okay. I need to write ID. For a better understand, you can also view your field name. You can also declare a parameter name to matching your column name. It's not necessary to match your column name, but I want to take some parameters. They are need to matching. So I now copy this column name. Yes, and I just paste here, and I need to declare what data type my parameters able to take for transportation. So if I see, my ID column always allow integer type data, so I need to declare integer. not var character. So it's very important, and I don't need to declare length only, and it's only allow for integer type. When I declare var character, I need to allow my length size. So this time you will understand. For example, my item is a var character, so I need to declare a length size. Yes, length size. Length. At first I need to declare my data type varchar. Yes. Category name. Yes. Here I have purchase rate column, so I need to add a parameter which is help me to transfer value to that column purchase rate. So sorry, I declare my data type, and other side I have a nodes column, so I need to add a parameter which name is nodes, but it's not necessary. Inside a parameter is similarly from my column name. You can also write your own name here, so not necessary you. So this time I'm going to add its data type name. Its data type is a varchar, and I need to add its length size. Okay. But when you add any type of parameter which are able to take or transfer the value, which are always able to take integer type, that time I don't need to add the length size. When I need to write varchar, that time I must be need to add those that varchar size. So the next time the next step is I need to add as, and that time I need to write SQL query, insert into item information. Here is my item info, the table name. Yes, and this time I need to declare my field name. Here is my column name. I need to declare all of field. So I just copy, because all of parameters what I add first time, those are similarly on my field name. So I have an opportunity for copy paste. And when I declare my column name, that time I don't need declare their data type or length size. If I attach those data type or lamp size, that time my query will be incorrect. So in this point, all of you need to be careful. Yes, and I need to declare my parameters name again, but when I declare my parameters name, that time I need to declare values. Actually in this time I'm just copy my this parameter, because I'm not going to use those parameter: ID, parameter item name, parameter category name, parameter purchase rate, parameter nodes. So I'm going to using those parameter here. Yes, and in this time I don't need to allow. I don't need to declare my data type and my data type. Just remove. Yes. Yes. So my query is now complete, but you should know a more explanation in this query. So I am now going to explanation about this query. Actually I need to, for example, I'm now going to insert an integer value in this ID field, but I need to transfer value from form to database, and my value will be go this ID column. So I need to declare ID parameter here in this inside this values area. This ID serial number is 1, and my ID column, which I declare my table, this ID, its serial number also 1. So my first number serial num has ID parameter, and also my first number serial field is ID. So this ID parameter will be help to insert a value, and the value will be insert in this ID field, because it has one num serial number, and this parameter has also one number serial num. Similarly, item name has number of 2 location, because it is 1, it is 2, and I declare this parameter and its serial number is also 2. So this parameter going to insert here this column, and my third serial number I declare already category name, and my third field I have declared my query, it is category name. So my category name parameter going to be insert a value to this category name column. And you can ask me why I declare my parameters here at first. So I'm now going to tell you that what kind of parameters I am now going to use in this store procedure ASP insert into item info. So at firstly I need to declare what kind of parameters I am going to use, and those parameters information I need to be declared. So I am already declare all of my parameters which I am going to apply in my from to database or database to from. I mean my software. And this second step, I already declare my field name, and the values inside the values I have declared my parameters, and those are sequentially arranged, and those fields are also sequentially arranged, and those values are only working when they are get sequentially similarly serial number of field. I need to remove this unnecessary bracket. Yes. I just need to I just need to Control A. I mean, I want to select all, and the time I am going to click this execute option. Yes, and my commands completed successfully. So my store procedure is now created, and when I click again this option, that time I have a row method. There is already an object name else insert into item info in this table. Actually, just none of a matter, because I need to write when I create my store procedure. That time, if I want to modify any of change in my store procedure, or again to execute, that time I need to write alter keyword, and when I click this execute option after write alter, that time I have nothing to any problem, and this error message, it is none of the matter, because my query is successful. So in this time, I'm now going my project. Actually, I have this form, and the previous tutorial I completed this form, and all of you learn how can we insert a value by using text command type method. But today we are going to learn how can we insert a value by using store procedure method. So I need to create another form. Yes, here is my Windows form. FRM. Okay, I'm going to take my FRM item information. For example, if that form, yes, this is my form. I'm just resizing this shape. Yes. Okay. But firstly, I need to write some of code which are related by connection, and we are already know this matter. Okay, so I'm now going to write the combination from SQL connection to class configuration. Yes. But I need to write a namespace data.sql client. Yes. Yes. I have a class and my object is OB. We already know about this work. In this work, SQL connection swap connection equal a new SQL connection. Yes. And just in this main function, I need to be combination my appconfig and class to my destination SQL connection. My SQL connection object name is option, so I need to write, and I need to combination now ob.stcon, which is a public string data type of a variable name. My variable name was stcon in a class 1. So here I'm now going to create a user defined function. So here private void my user defined function name will be similarly what kind of work I'm going to know. Okay, for example, set. Okay, I need to write SQL command, and this object name is simply new SQL command. Yes. And this time I need to insert my store procedure name. So I'm now going to open my database, and I'm now going to actually my store procedure already created. If I want to see my store procedure, yes, this is my store procedure which is created when I execute this procedure. Okay, I just paste this name. Yes, and I need to declare my SQL connection object name. It's very important. And here I'm going to tell you that we are now using only store procedure, not text. Okay, stored procedure. Yes, in this previous class we are learned that text type, but in this time for insert a value we are going to use only store procedure, not text, because we have already a query, we have already a store procedure for insert a value, and it's a popular method for insert or update or more of works, but it's very essential any kind of software. Anyway, we will be learning all of method in the next tutorial. So this time we are going to save a value by using this store procedure method. Okay, now cmd parameters dot add Okay, and I am now use those parameters first are declare in my query. Okay, yes, and this data type will be what kind of database I already use in my store procedure. So I'm now open my query, and the ID parameter always allow integer type. So I am now going to use integer type. I need to this type of spell dot value equal. Okay. Before I declare my source, I need to create my area. Text. Here is my text. Yes, and I can copy paste. I have 5 fields, so I'm now going to declare 5 text box. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I'm now going to change this name. And here is my properties. I'm now going to change my text box name. Text my first ID is my first column name is ID, so I'm going to write paste ID. My second text box is for item name, so I'm now going to use item name. Yes, txt item name, and my third text box will be going for category parameter, category name. So I'm now going to write category name. Category name. Yes, and here my fourth text box will be fixed for purchase rate. When I want to insert any kind of price, that time I will use this text box. So txt purchase rate, and last text box will be fixed for north column. Txt nots north. Yes, and so I need to level for 5 text box. Yes, and I just copy paste. Yes. 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 Okay. Okay. My first label will be similarly my text box and my column name. So I need to write ID. Okay. Oh, sorry. I need to change my text. Here in the text. Okay. ID. My second is my second will be item name. Item name. Okay. My third will be category name. Category name. My fourth will be purchase rate. Purchase rate. And my fifth will be notes. Okay. And I'm now declare a button. Yes, here is my button. And I am now going to change this name, not text. First step, so I am now write became safe, and I need to show not button 1, it will be saved. So I'm now going to change this text. Save. Okay. So this is my design. Now I'm going to my code. Yes, my code. My source will be txt id. Okay. Text sample dot parameters dot add. My second parameters will be at the rate of parameter item name. So I'm now going to write I have an extra parameter symbol. Okay. SQL dbtype dot var. Okay. Don't really. So my text box will be item name. CMD dot, and the CMD is the object. For SQL command dot rd. Okay. My third column will be category name. Okay. Okay. Yes, the value txt category name dot text and dot parameters dot category. Okay. My fourth parameters, I just copy my parameters from a database from my repository. I have an extra parameter, so I need to remove my extra parameter. Okay. SQL detail dot not is it will be money because this column was able to take money, so I can use validator on here. Txt purchase rate, which I declared my the table's name. Okay. And the last field is notes. Okay. Yes, notes. Okay. SQL data dot worker 50 Okay, txt not for text. Okay, I need to close my SQL connection when I finish my my work, my operation. So my SQL connection object is open, and for the first time it automatically will be open. And when I execute any kind of operation, after my operation I need to close my SQL connection. Okay. Yes. And when my operation will be complete, that time I need to show any kind of information message which are help me uh, give a feedback, and from the feedback will be know that my operation are perfectly successful. So it's a very necessary issue in our software. Okay, data insert error successfully complete. Yes. So I have an error because I need to closing the bracket. Okay, and here is my user defined function, and I need to declare my function name inside my button, because when I click button, that time my value will be insert. So I need to create my button, and here is my button is save. Yes. Okay. And when I complete my coding, that time I need to reboot. It's still rebuilding. I mean, it's just checking and kind of if then it will be showing me an error message, and I will be able to find and solve those problems. So it's very important for debugging any kind of project. Okay, now I am fully ready to check my form, but after check my form, I need to declare the startup project. Here I need to declare my form name. My form name is FRM item information. I just copy this form name, and I'm now replace my form name. When I replace here in program fields, when I just replace any kind of form name, that time when I start my project, when I want to show my form, that time I need to able watch my wanted form, what I want to visit. So if I want to show, for example, company profile, I need to replace that form name here, replaced by FRM item information. Okay, so I'm now going to start my project. If I'm correct, that time I get a successful message what I declared. Yes, this is my form. Okay, I just write one, because I declare ID always able to tag into the type field, and here when I declare 1, this text box has 1 value or data. When I click save, that time my parameter which I declare here number 1 non serial, this ID parameter, this parameter ID will take my 1, I mean this 1 value, and when I click save, that time my parameter select this 1 and will be transfer this value of 1 inside my table and my declared field, and I declare my field here number 1 non serial ID. So my parameter ID just take my 1 database here, this value what I type inside this text box, and my parameter will be start transfer this value of 44545, this value when I click this button inside declare table and declared field. So my declared table is I declare here insert into item info, and in this time I just instruction my query that I want to insert a value to this declared table. My table name is item info, and my first number of field is ID, and my first number of parameter which are inside the area of value, it is parameter ID. So parameter ID just take 44545 those values what are now show in my project, this 44545 this value, and it just transfer my declared table and my declared field. So I can just write item name just like Fortua Baluchuri, this is a shari name, Baluchure shari, and category name will be shari. This address for Bangladesh. Purchase date will be, I'm just writing as an example. Okay. And notes, I just write the best quality in Bangladesh. And when I click this button, a message will be shown. Yes, data insert successfully complete. So my query is now working. I just insert this value by using store procedure method, not text command type method. So I'm now opening my database and just show my, and just want to show my values which are inside recently by me. So I need to open this table. When I right click on mouse, I need to select top 100 rows for view my values. And here is 44545 Baluchuri shari and here is my purchase rate. If I just declare integer or varchar, that time the 0.00 this function will be absent, and when I declare money, that time the 0.00 the money sign after I declare a money, that time if I want to declare 0.00 I need to declare money data, and this is my NOTs value which are declared by me. So this way, in this store procedure way method, we can insert a value, and these store procedure method are now following all of software companies. So I am now going to advise you, all of my friends, please following my store procedure method for create your strong skill in programming. And if you want to work a renewable, any kind of renewable software company, you need to learn all kind of technique. This technique will be text command type. That technique can be store procedure. That technique can be table type. You need to know maximum method of programming. So thank you, all of my friends, for watch my video, and and the next tutorial I will be show you a perfect design. So today, goodbye, and please subscribe me, and more view my videos, comments, and like and share. Thank you very much.